Okay. You have seen opportunities, the factors influencing women entrepreneurship, measures, opportunities, and entrepreneurial motivation you have seen. So now you're with the mindset that anybody can do the business. There are lots of options, opportunities, many ideas are there. You can get the ideas. Technical support is there. Now, next question comes as what type of helps you can get or expect. Okay. So that is a role of financial institutions in support of women entrepreneurial activities. So we are into unit 3 now. Role of financial institution in support of women entrepreneurial activities. SIDBI, DIC, CDOC, RUDACTI, SFC, EDII, KVIC, long-term and short-term financing, women empowerment through EDPs. Okay. This in this particular unit, you'll be studying about the financial institutions. You see, role of financial institutions in support of women entrepreneurial activities. These 8 different types of institutions, there are many. Apart from this, also women oriented only you have separately that you'll be studying in the next unit. These are the general institutions which help all the entrepreneurs, men as well as women. Firstly, we have small industries. Small Industries Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI. District Industries Center, DIC. Center for Entrepreneurship Development of Karnataka, that is CDOC. Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute, that is ROOTSED. State Financial Corporation, SFC. Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC. Long-term and short-term financing. Women empowerment through entrepreneurial development programs. So these 9 different type of financial institutions which are in support of entrepreneurial activities that we'll be studying in this particular unit. We will be studying one by one. Each of these have their own vision, mission, objectives, functions. We'll study each of them and you should know all of these things very, very clearly. And not that this is for your exam, you have to write this for your exam or something like that. Why you're studying this particular chapter? Because firstly, you're a commerce student. You study numerous types of subjects over here so that you have every type of knowledge. Mainly you are studying the economics, which is the most important part for the development of the country. So you should be encouraged to become an entrepreneur. When you become an entrepreneur, you know how you facilitate the public, the society, and the country. Your most important is you are creating job opportunities. You are giving livelihood for many people. As well as you're contributing, you have some contribution towards the economic development of the country. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, then what are the supporting institutions you should know? Most important for any business is what? Finance. Without finance, you cannot do anything. So again, I'll come back. ನೀವು ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತೀರಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. Accounts you are studying, marketing you have studied, management you will be studying further, all different types of accounts, from minor financial account to financial accounting, management accounting also you will be studying in the course. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಯು, ವಿಚ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ವತಃ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಉಪಯೋಗವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಜಾಬ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್, ನೀವು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೋರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ SIDBI? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಚಾರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಯು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೈ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಿರಿ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ how you have to do. Once you complete this particular subject, you should be able to do a business by yourself. Okay, so Small Industries Development Bank of India. The name of the bank itself is Small Industries Development. Canara Bank keliri, Syndicate Bank keliri, State Bank of India keliri. Okay, so this is Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. Okay, what does this image, why did I put this image over here? ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಶಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ಅವ. ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನುಂಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, here is a person. Okay, he is climbing over here, he want to go further. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲಕ್ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನದ? there is a gap here. ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ತೆಳಗ ಏನದ? there are shark. ಅವನ್ ಬಿದ್ದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಿಂದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ what he is doing there, you see, he is holding something which he is putting over here. What is that? That's a support. What is that support? It is a support you are getting from this bank, that is SIDBI. Okay, we'll study what is this SIDBI. So SIDBI origin, how did it come up, from where, when? In order to promote small scale industries in the country, a special act was passed in the parliament in April 1990 for starting of Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI is a wholly owned subsidiary of IDBI. Okay, IDBI is the Industries Development Bank of India. SI is Small Industries. Okay, Industries Development already one bank ada. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. It is providing assistance to all those institutions which are promoting small scale industries. Idu ella institutions. There are again some of the institutions which are supporting small industries. So this is a bank which will support such institutions. Okay. Capital ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು? SIDBI has an authorized capital of rupees 1000 crores. The RBI has also allocated 10,000 crores to SIDBI for various venture capital activities and company startups in 2015. The entire operations of IDBI connected with small scale industries are now handed over to SIDBI. ಮೊದಲೇನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, IDBI ನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವೇರ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಅದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ now this complete small industries is handled by SIDBI. So small scale industries are these things. Any small industries andre it may be ice cream industry, it may be a garment industry, toys factory you're seeing, screen printing you're seeing. Okay, mineral water bottles, ಈಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಿನರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇವನ್ ಮನೆಗೂ ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ನೀರಿಂದು, ಖರೀದಿ ನೀರೇ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ that is this mineral water plant. Okay, then you have wooden furniture factory, you have engineering workshop, glass factory, ice cream factory, jute factory, leather processing unit, shipbreaking yard, dairy products, ceramic factory, biotech industries. These are the small scale industries. This is just few of them have put. Still there are many. Micro, small and medium enterprise. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ MSME ಅಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. MSME means micro, ಅತಿ ಸಣ್ಣದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಪಾಪಡ್ ಪಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, that is micro. Next comes is small. Next comes is medium. So that is MSME. Okay. So here, the government of India has launched several initiatives to promote the growth of MSME sector. One such initiative is the SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI acts as a primary financial institution in the country that is responsible for the growth of MSME sector. Okay, MSME sector grow agbeku antandre SIDBI acts a very important role over there. Okay, it has financing plus also other supporting activities. You see, by offering financing services, besides offering finances to qualified MSMEs, it also focuses on clean energy production. It helps MSMEs grow, acquire funds, market their products, and market their products and invest in research and development. You see, SIDBI bare finance ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ marketing ನೂ help ಆಗ್ತದೆ. There are so many things you'll be studying further. Marketing is there. Invest in research and development. This is continuous process. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, innovations ಆಗ್ತಾನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. The bank offers various loans that help MSMEs to meet their capital requirements. Okay. Mission and vision of SIDBI. Okay. Mission. SIDBI aims to facilitate and strengthen credit flow to MSMEs. Besides offering financial assistance to MSMEs, SIDBI also provides developmental support to the MSME ecosystem. Vision. SIDBI aims to emerge as go-to institution for financing support to MSMEs. Okay, this is vision and mission. Finance as well as all the required support is given to the MSMEs. Objectives of SIDBI: to promote marketing of products of small scale sector. Production select finance ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. Next is for marketing of the products. Marketing is very important. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. To upgrade technology and also undertaking modernization of small scale units. Technology ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, your efficiency increases. You can go to more efficient products. Okay, and not only that, that leads to modernization of your industries. With little energy you can produce many number of products. Manual ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೂ machine ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೂ there is a difference. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there is a time when he becomes energyless. Okay, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 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 ಅವನ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವೇ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬರ್ಕೋತ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ your handwriting is very good. As you reach 3rd page, 4th page, your handwriting goes on changing. Why is that? ನಮ್ದು ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೋತ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ as the time passes. But when it is machine, there is nothing like that. Okay, continuously with same efficiency it works. ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಎಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 24 hours machine ನೀವು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 24 hours ಸೇಮ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. many industries are on automatic machines. We call them as robots. Okay, robotic machines ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಇಡ್ತದ, ಅದೇ ಎತ್ತಿ ಇಡ್ತದ. ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. You see, there is a what is that? There is a program on TV. I think it is on Discovery Channel. It is called as Big Factories or something, Food Factories and ಬರ್ತದೆ. You see those channels, they are very interesting. Or mega factories, I think. Ali nodre, everything is automatic, and you feel very nice looking into those particular uh, programs. They are very nice. There you come across what is this usage of technology, modernization, how it helps to provide more financial assistance to small scale ancillary and tiny sector. Ancillary units ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಕಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಬರೀ ಬಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಆನ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈನಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಈವನ್ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಸ್. ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಆನ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಆರ್ ಟೈನಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. To encourage employment oriented industries, very important. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಷಿನ್ ಥ್ರೂನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, it should create employment also. To coordinate all the other institutions involved in the promotion of small scale industries. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ which are towards the development of small scale industry, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಇದು SIDBI support ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. These are the objectives. You should know all these objectives. Okay. Functions of SIDBI: coordinating and financing the various institutions involved in the development of small industries are undertaken by SIDBI. Financing and coordinating, ಇವೆರಡು major objective of SIDBI. Apart from that, what are its functions? What it does, that will see. Refinance to SSI. Okay. Refinancing loans and advances provided by commercial banks to small scale industrial units. Different types of loans are given to small scale industries, and as per the recommendations of Nayak committee, additional funds have been given to the commercial banks for promoting more borrowings of small scale industries. In fact, there are commercial banks with separate branches meant exclusively for small scale industries. Refinance to SSI. Refinance means what? Refinance ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you might have heard about this. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you already have a loan. Okay. ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ A ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಈಗ ರೀಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎದಕ್ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ B ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ A ಮುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ SIDBI ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ರೀಫೈನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ SIDBI ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಲೋನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಆ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಸಬಹುದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ. Discounting of bills of SSIs. Apart from discounting the bills of SSI industries, even hurdles arising out of financing small scale industries are being discounted. Okay. Discounts nim bills olaga. The bank credit has gone up to 2,18,219 crores. The percentage of bank credit to SSI has gone up to 17.5. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. SIDBI offers assistance to exports. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ SIDBI gives you assistance, helps you. Direct assistance to export oriented units and also to import substituting units in the small scale sector is given the highest priority. There has also been a simplified procedure for the exports of small scale industries. Products of SSI exporters are displayed in international exhibitions with the help of SIDBI. Other export related expenditures are borne by SIDBI. Latest packing standards and training programs on packing of exports are also financed by SIDBI. Trade delegations and sales and study teams are sponsored for small scale sector under marketing development assistance scheme. What did you understand by this? All of you know what is export and import. Export antandre, all of you know this, I am just telling you. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಪಡ್ which is very very special, okay, and it is very famous in India. Now what has happened, there is a demand for your papad by other countries. That means you are exporting it. Do you know that papads, roti, jolad roti is exported? I don't know how many of you know that roti, which is a very very main dish of North Karnataka, is an export product, okay, bare countries go adu hogtade. So similarly, you are very special in one of your product. It may be any simple product, so it is exported. Mangoes are exported to other countries. Indian mangoes, Indian rice, basmati rice is exported. So like this, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ, ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ their transaction changes. Now here what you're doing, you're going out of country, customs and so many other transactions come in between, okay. So ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You contact SIDBI and they support you completely. How do they support export oriented units and also import substituting units, okay, highest priority? There has been a simplified procedure for export of products of small scale. Very simplified procedure has been made. You have to take its assistance, that's all. And if you want to export, your products are displayed in international market. You see, products of SSI exporters are displayed in international exhibitions. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ದೇ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಆರ್ಡರ್. ನಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ 200 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಪಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಡಾಲರ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. $1 is equal to how many rupees? At present approximately it is 75 rupees. So imagine ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 75 rupees ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is $1. Clear about this? You earn in 75 times more than what you are expending. And not only that, you see other related expenditures borne by export related ಮತ್ತೇನ್ expenditure ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is supported by SIDBI. And when you are exporting it, packaging is very important, okay. Packing is most important. Latest modernized packing is supported by SIDBI. Clear about this? Next, third one, seed capital and also soft loan assistance. Seed capital ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, I will show you here. Seed capital, here you can see seed capital is the money raised to begin developing an idea for a business or a new product. ನೀವು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಐಡಿಯಾ or new product ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಿ, you have got the idea, okay. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, a funding is required. For what? This funding generally covers only the cost of creating a proposal. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಿ, ಹೊಸ ಟೈಪ್, ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಪಡ್. ಅದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ನಿಮಗ್ ಬಂದದ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ SIDBI. Then what you should do, you should prepare a project report, a proposal you have to prepare. This will be studying in the last unit of this subject only. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you will have certain expenditures. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that is the seed capital, okay. So here seed capital is provided for starting SSI units. Under this, The initial expenditure in starting the small scale units are being met by SIDBI. In addition to that, SIDBI under this scheme undertakes the following activities. What are those? Identification of potential entrepreneurs in the district. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? Yes, BCom first sem first year all the students are very good entrepreneurs. They have lots of potential, lots of willingness. They have got very new ideas. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅದ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನೌ, ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್. ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ದೇ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗದ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Under soft loan, SIDBI provides long-term loan repayable in a period of 15 to 20 years with a very low rate of interest. Especially women, they have lots of facility. Subsidy ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲದೆ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೋನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. That all is helped by SIDBI. Non-finance services. Under this scheme, SIDBI undertakes, with the help of other institutions, marketing survey and potentialities of small-scale industries in the particular area. Wherever possible, it helps in the procurement of raw materials. Market survey ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Market surveying very important. ನೀವು actually business start ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ market survey ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ products ಎಲ್ಲ whether customers are there or in which area you have lots of customers. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗೂ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ವೆದರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ changes in the product, improvement in the product, that you have to study. This will help in research and development and for your innovation and improving and progress. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, SIDBI ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ತನ ಮುಟ್ಸೋತನ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ರಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಬೈ SIDBI. Factoring, leasing and HP finance. Factoring, leasing and HP finance ಅಂದ್ರೆ hire purchase finance. Factoring, all of you know this word, I think. You see, in factoring services, SIDBI finances 80% of the bills to the seller, and after obtaining the remaining 20% balance, it repays to the seller, and for this service, it obtains a factoring commission. Factoring antandre, it's a mediator person. Okay, here I'll show you. This is factoring process. Okay. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ SIDBI. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮೇಘ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಮೇಘಾಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಪಲ್ಲವಿಗೆ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಮೇಘ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಇಸ್ ಬಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಪಲ್ಲವಿಗ ಮೇಘ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಮೇಘ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್. ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೌ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೇಘ, ಬಟ್ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ವತಃ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲೋನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಘ ಚಲೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, isn't it? So what happens now? Pallavi wants amount. So this is importer. This is Megha and this is Pallavi. Okay. So ಈಗ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗೈತೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹೌ? ಆನ್ ಡೆಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ ಇಟ್ಟು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಸಾಲ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ. So what she will do? She will contact this particular bank. Financer is nothing but SIDBI. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? 80% Okay, if Mega is charging 1 lakh rupees, bank ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ 80,000 rupees Mega ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ what Mega will do, she will sell, she will give all the products. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 100% she will give to Pallavi. Okay, Pallavi ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, she will see that the products are good, she will take time in the sense there is a period, 6 months pay ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ 3 months ಒಳಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು 3 months ಒಳಗೆ she pays back 100% to this bank. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 20% ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಮೇಘ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. Okay, so this bank acts as a mediator. What type of mediator? With finance. Sumne oral mediator alla, it is giving the money. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗ SIDBI ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, it takes certain commission. This is called as factoring process. ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You are very 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 efficient and more suitable for what, all types of competitive exams. Bank exams, bank jobs irad nim salvage ide, but who is utilizing it now? All other degrees, engineering students, they are engineering complete ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, MTech complete ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they are going for banks. No, BCom girls are most eligible. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಓದ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಫರ್ದರ್ ನಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. So SIDBI does this factoring process also. Next comes is leasing. All of you know leasing, I think. Leasing is a process by which a firm can obtain use of certain fixed assets, which with it must make a series of contractual, periodic, tax deductible payments. A lease is a contract that enables a lessee to secure the use of the tangible property for a specified period by making payments to the owner. Lease andre 1 ವರ್ಷ ಲೀಸ್, 2 ವರ್ಷ ಲೀಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಪೀರಿಯಾಡಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ ಓನರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ SIDBI helps you in this leasing process. Hire purchase ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್, also known as installment plan, is an arrangement whereby a customer agrees to a contract to acquire an asset by paying an initial installment. That is example 40% of the total and repays the balance of the price of the asset plus interest over a period of time. First one 40% ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ certain period ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ it will give the amount in a regular periods with interest. Okay, so now I'm coming back here. Factoring, leasing and HP finance by SIDBI. You see, finances 80% of the bills to the seller, and after obtaining the remaining 20%, it repays to the seller, and for this service it takes factoring commission. Leasing, this facility also it takes, so you see, after increase in the fixed capital to 1 crore to SSI, there has been increasing demand for leasing equipment. HP finance, hire purchase finance, also helped SSI in acquiring machinery at a higher value. In fact, certain machinery are even imported from foreign countries. SIDBI help in the new through HP, I mean higher purchase finance ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿಂದ you're also importing, the small scale industries are importing the machineries from outside countries also. Okay, these are the facilities what it is doing. Assistance to other financial institutions. In every state finance corporations, this also you'll be studying, SFC, have been promoted for financing small scale industries. They are under the control of respective state government, state finance corporations. So adu state government under irtade. At national level, a separate corporation is promoted for financing small scale industries called National Small Scale Industries Corporation. Okay, Under this, all these state finance corporations work. About this, we'll be studying in the next part. Automatic finance scheme. Refinance facilities. Refinance, I told you. Facilities under automatic finance scheme is also provided, which was initially for rupees 50 lakhs. Now, with the increase in the capital limit of SSI, these finance schemes also increase its limits to 2 crores. 2 crores tana automatic finance scheme is given. Modernization. The technology development which has taken place in various industries has also spread to small scale industries, and to meet the requirements of technology upgradation, a separate fund has been set up by SIDBI. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿನೇ ಅದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟು. ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದೇನೋ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. Venture capital. So venture capital, all of you know this, I'll tell you. Startup companies with a potential to grow need a certain amount of investment. Startup companies, each start madiri, they require investment. Wealthy investors like to invest their capital in such businesses with a long-term growth perspective. This capital is known as venture capital, and the investors are known as venture capitalists. ಈಗ ನೀವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಜು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೊಸ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಪಡ್ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಟಾಟಾಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರತನ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಜಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ and you require investment. So avaga what Tata will do, he will invest money into your product. ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅವರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, such investment is called as venture capital, and he is called as the person who is investing is called as venture capitalist. Clear about this? Very ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ big industrialist, they are investing amount into your startup company. ಯಾರೇ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಭರೋಸಾ ಅದ, your product is very good, you are going to do very nicely, only in that case it is going to invest. Clear? So venture capital fund for the promotion of new entrepreneurs has been set up. For this purpose, IDBI, the holding company of SIDBI, provides funds. New ventures in different areas with high technical know-how is encouraged under the scheme. This scheme is in the initial stage. This will promote more new small-scale industries. Okay, venture capital fund for promotion of new entrepreneurs. ನೀವು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2 marks, 5 marks, you may get not 15 marks. This scheme was introduced by SIDBI for providing finance to commercial banks, which in turn will give all kind of assistance to small scale industries. That is, from registration units to marketing of products will be undertaken under this scheme. New product papad, I told you, it is so famous now. It's very nice, and you have given your proposal through seed company, seed fund. Now SIDBI, what it will do, it is helping you, assisting you from registration of your company to the marketing of your products. The creation of SIDBI has certainly improved the growth of small scale industries in the country. Apart from financing, banks have identified the weak areas of small scale industries and have attempted to improve the same. This will go a long way in not only strengthening SSI units, but also in the creation of employment opportunities in rural areas. Single window scheme antandre, the procedure has become very simple. I'll show you this. Yeah, I have here. Single window scheme. You see, this is a single window. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು yellow green cloud ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, it's just an imagination. There is one unit. Especially this is for designed for import and export. Okay. So illi your papad, I told you, it is so famous that it is going out of the country. It is being exported now. So you are sitting over here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತು ನಿಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಈ ವಿಂಡೋ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡರ್, ಶಿಪ್ಪರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್, ಚೇಂಬರ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ SIDBI is giving this facility for you. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ತನ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. This is single window scheme which is provided by the SIDBI. Okay, you see like this. It may be within India or outside India. You are a trader, you are sitting over here, you just have internet system with you, that's all. ನೀವು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್. This facility is given by SIDBI. Okay, a very important scheme that is given by SIDBI from registration to marketing of your products. Okay, you have to take the utility of this. So all these are the facilities or functions what you get from SIDBI functions. Okay, refinance to SSI, discounting the bills of SSIs. SIDBI offers assistance to exports, seed capital and also soft loan assistance, seed capital, okay, non-finance services, factoring, leasing and hire purchase finance, assistance to other financial institutions, automatic finance scheme, modernization, venture capital, single window scheme. Okay, 11 types of functions it has, so you should know all of these things. Okay, now just go through this SIDBIs and EDP. EDP means Entrepreneurship Development Program. The aim of SIDBI's EDP is to build and nurture a reservoir of entrepreneurs. Such EDP is Entrepreneurship Development Program. EDP means such EDP is conducted through specialized agencies in Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Institute of Entrepreneurship Development, Center for Entrepreneurship Development, CEDs, Technical Consultancy Organization, TCOs, and non-government organizations. Andre SIDBI entrepreneurship development like bhala help ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾರೆ. You have seen finance, coordinating and other type of facilities it is providing, and apart from that even it is providing training. Okay, ivella institutions we have, what is that? EDII, other IED, then CED, TCO, other NGOs, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರೋ, ಸೊ SIDBI is supporting them so that the number of entrepreneurs in India increase to a very big number, and all the countries there is a centralized development throughout India. Management deficiency and low level skills and technology have been some of the major weaknesses of small industries. SIDBI is constantly endeavoring to address these problems by bringing reputed management and technical institutions close to the small scale industries and arranging specially designed programs, small industries management assistance program, skill cum technology upgradation program. The objective of SIAMP is to develop a cadre of industrial managers specifically trained to assist the SSI entrepreneurs in their multiple responsibilities.
Ma'am, namaste kar.
And STUP is structured to improve the performance of the existing SSI units. by developing, strengthening managerial skills and technical competence of the entrepreneurs and senior executives of small enterprises. ಬರೇ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, it also gives you managerial skills so that there are programs like SIMAP and STUP which help you in developing your managerial skills from organization management to the marketing management. Okay, so these are all the activities of Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. So it has many functions and many objectives. Vision and mission are very good. It also goes for development programs. Take utilization of SIDBI. Today you just go through Google, search on internet, where is SIDBI in Gulbarga, what type of helps you can take, who has taken help, ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೈಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಗೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರಾನು ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬರೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಂತ ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Look into all of these things. They are very, very, very important. Like this, you will be studying 9 other. Okay, you see, today we have finished this SIDBI. You have another 8 parts that you'll be studying. All are equally important. They have their own functions, they have their own objectives, and within this you see which is more suitable for you and go through that. Take help of all the assistance that is being provided by the government so that you can become an entrepreneur, make a living for other people in the society, contribute towards the development of society, contribute towards the development of rural areas, and ultimately contribute towards the development of economic of the country. Okay, so this is about SIDBI. Clear about this? In the next class we'll be studying about the other institution. We'll go for DIC. Okay, so thank you.